up? This is Adam.
And this is Stanley.
Artos 2.0, Western New York Cop. Now coming at you with 10 times more auto-tune.
This song's for all you wiggers out there.
So you then enjoy the auto-tune, and you bitches and thugs have a nice day. Buffalo Falls and Albany, Western New York is a place for me. Salino and Barnes, that shit is happening. We've got Cheektowaga, fuck Manhattan. Fires and murders make up our news. If you lived here, you would hit the booze. This place is boring, but it ain't no thing, because we gorge ourselves on chicken wings. Our balls are smaller, but we ain't sore. We've got Lockport, Gambino Ford. We're glad to have you, but please don't linger. Our most famous building is giving you the finger.
Western New York is the place to be, full of beautiful scenery, in a land free of torments. Good thing we don't have stupid accents.
Reppin' the ethnic mix. Actually, we're mostly white, but Jesus Christ, who's counting, right? Don't forget about the Buffalo Bandits. So much excitement, you couldn't stand it. In our malls, you can dilly-dally or snowboard at Holiday Valley.
Western New York is the place to be, full of beautiful scenery, in a land free of torments. Good thing we don't have stupid accents. Western New York is the place to be, full of beautiful scenery, in a land free of torments. Good thing we don't have stupid accents.